Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable remote play on Steam. Let's begin. First, open up Steam client, log into your account, and once here, go click on Steam, go to settings, scroll down, click on remote play. Make sure this is enabled, remote play, turn this on, scroll down, enable hardware encoding, turn this on, and desktop resolution. All right. Once done, you can minimize or close this window and go to your library. So, for example, if this is the game you would like to use remote play on, uh, you can click on this arrow down or drop down option. You will see an option play on mobile device or stream or streaming, all right? So instead of just clicking on the regular play button, click over here and then select stream, all right? So this is going to be your main computer or main device. I would also want you to head over to your secondary device, do the same, click over here and then choose the stream option. Make sure you have your Steam Link application installed for this to work. And once you have both, successfully click the option to enable or to enable the stream option. Go back to your settings over here, remote play, and you should have and you will notice the option over here. There you go. Easy peasy. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.